And similarly, if you take the mango tree and the peepal tree, the mango tree is having a shorter lifespan when compared to that of the peepal tree. So among the different trees, the lifespan varies. Banyan tree has the longest lifespan, and also sequoia tree, which is having a much longer lifespan than the banyan tree. Okay, so what is asexual reproduction? It is the production of offspring by a single parent. That is, only one parent is involved in asexual reproduction. And it is commonly seen in unicellular organisms, simple plants, and in animals. In some animals, it is seen in unicellular organisms, in some plants and animals. So what is the characteristic feature of this asexual reproduction? The offspring are identical to one another. Why it is identical to one another? Because they are derived from a single parent. So there is no variation. So it will be the exact replica of that parent, right? So the offspring are identical to one another and to their parent. So such morphologically means that is an externally and genetically. So internally, they are similar individuals. So they are called the clones. So the offspring that are produced as a result of asexual reproduction are called the clones, and they are morphologically and genetically similar individuals. Okay, so what is asexual reproduction? Here it involves only a single parent, and it is seen in unicellular organisms and in some plants and animals. So the offspring are identical to one another and their parents. So they are called clones. And there are different types of asexual reproduction. So what are the different types of asexual reproduction? First one is fission, right? Fission, budding, and vegetative propagation. So here almost most of these things we have already dealt with in 11th standard, right? About vegetative propagation under the topic of morphology of the flowering plants, right? Modification of the root, stem, and the leaves. So I hope you're familiar with this, right? So under the fission, there are different types of fission. There is binary fission and multiple fission and budding. Also, we saw in Hydra, it is an example for budding, right? And vegetative propagation. So we'll see in detail about the different types of asexual reproduction in different organisms.